nila.
Oh, speaking of Ateneo, I'd just like to greet their former head coach, Oliver Almadro, who's also
Hi,
watching us. Coach O, watching us here.
Hi, Coach. I miss you.
And exciting times para sa eskwela natin sa UP.
Yes.
Oh, papasok na yung apat na
Go UP.
lumipat. Yan. For season 88 ng volleyball is still in 2026, but you can see these teams already what kind of potential they have, especially yung mga bagito para sa magkabilang kupunan. Disperos. Miranda ngayon, back set, Pendon. Habol naman si Kimpo.
Ooh,
Drop
good
ball
dive.
galing kay Matibag. Ginawa ni Asis, nagdabog yata doon.
Nice. Oh, good stretch.
Donna May, Asis naman, itinawid. Kimpo does the setting now para kay Disperos. And that rolls into the antenna. Ateneo 2-0 now over FEU, fourth set.
Gulatan lang yan talaga kung sinong mauuna. Kung sinong unang makakakuha ng momentum. Chances are, yun yung makakakuha ng set.
Zay Pasha. Petalio the target. Combination. Eliza Devosora.
Yeah, I like it when the ball is given to Devosora kasi more often than not, she finds the floor.
Devosora, one of the quietly aggressive hitters para kay Tina
Tama.
Salak. And she is up to serve. Again, as we mentioned earlier, a couple of years ago, she was the starter para sa FEU. Cortez. Matibag finding the line at sumakit ang ulo ni Suplico.
Ganda nung angle ng tira niya. It was a very well-calculated hit.
Tina Salak biglang napatayo dun eh. Donna May. Kaka. Petalio. Oh, wow.
Yan yung sinasabi ni Coach Sergio. You can't get that ball from the side. It has to be in front.
Ang bilis ng hit point talaga nito si George Petalio. I mean, you forget how small she is when she starts to attack.
Taas tumalon eh.
Oh. Asis. Matibag testing the defense of Ann Asis. Galing likod, Devosora comes up short.
Yeah, I thought that set to her was a little low. That's why hinabol niya yung bola, but nothing much could be done about that.
Hazen Esperos now to serve. Ateneo up 2 here in the fourth.
It's over.
Nako, over.
Oh, good
Di
day.
naligpit nitong si Chuatico. Move coming from Casey Cortez.
Akala mo isi-set ni Cortez and then all of a sudden she brings it over.
Bakay Cortez already 2 aces and 2 attack points. Very dangerous when a setter can do that, especially pag frontliner siya.
Inside!
Hazen Esperos, mukhang wala na yung kanyang migraine kanina. Nagkakaroon ngayon ng migraine si Tina Salak as FEU is down by 4. Timeout, Lady Tamaraos.
Kung miscalculation lang. At least sumunod tayo sa bola, hindi tinitingnan lang natin kung saan babagsak. Aggressive tayo sa net. Dumadating yung bola sa harap natin, yun din. Parang ginahayaan mo lang din yung kasama mo. Kung kailangan, maging aggressive tayo doon sa net na yan. Magkakaintindihan. Connection tayo, hindi tayo nakakapagbigay ng connection.
Tara, let's go, let's go, let's go. Error lang, error muna ha.
Pasa muna tayo, pasa.
Taas na lang ako na bala.
Tanda natin, Clara Lorenzo is only 18 years old, by the way.
Wow.
And she's already 6'3", already in the national team. But again, Tina Salak still has to remind her on some of the basics na minsan nakakalimutan din ng bata.
Yeah. Ganoon naman talaga eh. Kailangan lang ma-remind ka ng ma-remind. The improvement will come. You know, itong Ateneo, parang ganito sila nung first set.
Yes.
Tapos nawala dun sa second set. Tapos eto na sila ulit.
What are you saying? Na mag-fifth set tayo?
Ewan ko sa'yo, Noel Zarate.
Miranda, finding Petalio. Ay, di na maabutan ni Kimpo yan.
Good hustle though.
Good response coming off the Tina Salak timeout for the Lady Tamaraos. Ito rin, babad na babad, Kyle Pendon.
Oo. Ito, kanina pa nag-ace. Let's see if she can be consistent.
Good reception from Arroyo. Matibag. Miranda sending it to again. Cheers Petalio.
Yeah, smart move from Petalio going to the smaller blocker, hitting that down the line.
Smaller hitter siya eh. Bilis ano?
Ang bilis.
Ateneo's lead down to 2. Pendon. Consistent sa kanya. Sir Petalio with a slam dunk.
Ganda nung stretch ni Petalio when she hit that ball, redirecting it to the open zone.
FEU slowly getting its bearings back after falling behind by 4. 3 straight points now for the Tamaraws. And Pendon continues to serve well. Casey Cortez. Chuatico. Hinabol na naman ang FEU. Miranda. Petalio over the defense.
Nice.
Petalio scored 3 straight points, Chiki. Ha?
Oo. May hulog, may strong hit. She's using her head. Titingnan niya kung ano ba yung defensive formation ng Ateneo, tapos dun siya gumagalaw.
Selga comes in for Chuatico. Trying to get the lead. Pendon.
Oh! Yun din yung sinasabi ni Coach Sergio kanina, you have to follow the ball.
This is now 5 straight points for FEU at abante na sila rito. 7-6. All it took was one Tina Salak timeout. Everything is back in order. Ayun, tama na yung ilag doon. Itong si Arroyo. 7-all. Now Gray Matibag. Put it in play. Close 4th set. Miranda. Ayan na naman si Loresco.
Kita mo yung hataw niya, no?
Yeah.
When she hit that ball.
You cannot stop what you cannot see. And the only people who see this is Miranda to Loresco. First technical timeout. FEU up by 1. Back with us here inside the Paco Arena, 8-7 FEU, 4th set. Noel Zarate with Chicky Pablo. I just recalled may isang encuentro ko. I was at the airport. May flight kami to Cagayan de Oro. I was with Alas and Coach Jorge Sousa de Brito. And I was asking, who do you want to add to your team? Yung mga prospective ba? He said, you want to look at these people. Bencher Loresco. Tapos
Oh, that's
on
why.
cue, Loresco with the block. At may pinapakita ko sa kanyang clip, nag-5 sets dati UP at saka FEU dito rin sa V-League. Showed it. Tapos tama-tama, yung part na nag-running attack ito si Loresco, sabi ni Jorge Sousa de Brito, I want her on my team. What happens next? She's in Alas.
Yes.
Diba?
And grabe, and you said she's only 18 years
She's
old.
only 18. And she was
Wow.
17 at the time I was showing the video. So, grabe potential.
Yeah,
Nitong batang to siya.
potential nito.
Pati na rin si Shaina Nitura, who came out of nowhere, who just destroyed the UAP last season. And they find themselves in the national team.
Ito kasing si Loresco, when she goes up for the block, her hands are up and over the net. That's
Yeah.
why yung bola, walang pupuntahan.
Again, you can't teach height. At 18,
Yes.
6'3", come on.
Oo. Ano kaya height ng parents niya?
I'm not sure. That's something that's going to be interesting to note.
Oh, my goodness.
And Jers Petalio with a service ace.
Cardinal, ano yan, sin yan sa volleyball. Yung walang kukuha ng bola, yung magtitinginan lang.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow, what is this run ngayon para sa FEU? This is an 8-1 run.
ooh, good up.
Nahabol pa rin. Devosora. Arroyo inangat.
Oh!
That is going to be a hitting error against Alex Montoro, who's in. Zay Pasha is going to come back in. So, sandali lang ginamit itong si Montoro.
Sometimes kasi pag mataas yung bola, nawawala ka sa sa perspective.
Right.
Kaya napupunta sa net yung bola.
How about a 10-1 run right now?
Oh
And
my
more coming from Petronio.
Oh, wow.
11-1 run for the Lady Tamaraos.
Ateneo needs to try to get the ball of Petalio. Even if it's strong, even if it's fast, they need to get that plank right there. Yan.
Better reception from Matibag. Selga over the defense. Inangat. Miranda has to get rid of it. Arroyo. Pasha. They will try again. Back row attack this time from Nisperos. That's out.
Too much momentum in that hit. Too much power.
11-1 run.
Wow.
Cortez. Pasha. Kept alive still. They go back to Zay. Cross court, miss again. Check ball, no
Outside.
check ball.
Kailangan lang, sabi nga ni Coach Sergio kanina sa mga sa mga timeouts niya is patience. Patience.
Yeah, they're double checking the score here. Teka muna. They're double checking the score. I think the score should be 14-7. Pero according to our table, this is the score, 14-7. So naghang yung scoreboard natin. Yeah, the score is 14-7, making it a 12-1 run para sa FEU. Kanina on the serve of Kyle Pendon, now on the serve of Jers Petalio, which goes out.
Matagal-tagal na rin naman siya doon sa service zone. So,
Oo.
bawi na lang.
Saka yung aircon, nandun nakatapat sa kanya.
Nanlamig.
Hikinawin ka talaga dun eh. I mean, really, you try to walk towards that exit, may gust of wind na sasalubong sa'yo. Selga. Inangat for Devosora. Habol si
Yeah.
Matibag to no avail.
Ganda nung angulo nung tira ni Devosora. Tsaka ang layo. She hit that end zone. So, again, mahirap kunin yung mga ganong palo.
And now the aforementioned Clarissa Loresco. Para sarap kunin yung credit, dahil pinakita ko running attack mo, kinuha ka sana.
Sige, wow, galing mo, Noel.
Pero talagang, Coach Jorge really had his eye on her
Yeah.
before pa
You
nung
can't teach
nakapasok.
height
Yeah,
nga.
that's right. Devosora,
Good save.
given up by Pasha. One more time around. Kaka going to an assist. FEU 16, Ateneo 8, fourth set, second technical timeout. Magbabalik po kami. FEU. I'm trying to still make out the run that is ongoing. It is a 14-2 run
Wow.
para dito sa FEU. It was a 6-2 lead for Ateneo before the Tina Salak timeout, and that changed everything. De Leon turned back. Pasha. Oh, nicely done through the defense that time for Zay Pasha.
Yeah, kahit na nandun yung defense sa kanya, net block, ano ba yan? Blocking ng FEU. Napalusot niya yung bola.
Nag 5 sets kasi tayo kanina.
Sobrang lakas ng tira niya.
Yeah. Well, Ateneo can still climb back in this if they played the same way they did in the first set.
Yeah.
Cortez was the setter in the first set, but after 2 aces, now a service header for Casey Cortez.
Good eye there by Petalio. She was ready to receive that ball, pero ang taas pa nandun na siya sa likod, kaya pinabayaan na niya yung bola.
Not your usual tall front lineup para dito sa FEU. As Kamiranda serves. Casey. And
Nice.
De Leon finds the corner.
Yeah, ang ganda nung the way that she hit that ball, good full arm swing, and she was able to find that corner open, zone 5.
Now Ateneo cannot hope to exchange points here with FEU. They need a run of their own. Zay Pasha with an ace.
Nagagawan si Devosora, tsaka si Petalio.
And they will bring in the 18-year-old Alana Tanchi for more height. Another good one from Pasha. Miranda to Asis. And De Leon with a block point.
Yeah, she knows kung saan pupunta yung bola. Alam niya na maganda yung first ball sa gitna, marahil pupunta yung bola, and she was there.
Down to a 6-point lead. So Ateneo now with a mini run. Now 5-point lead rather. Ateneo with a run of their own. 3 straight for the Blue Eagles. Ended on that service error by Zay Pasha. Eliza Devosora. Ang dami talagang moving parts nitong FEU. And they're gonna be a contender in UAP Season 88. Cortez, nice setup papunta kay Nisperos, but she sends that out.
Kita mo si Nespero, she's really trying to fight for her team. She goes up for those hard hits, but kailangan lang makontrol pa niya yung bola niya.
Well, FEU now up 7. Already secured a place in the Final Four. They're just rounding out their elimination round match as Tanchi sends that out.
Good blocking there from FEU, very synchronized, walang pinuntahan yung bola.
5 puntos na lang ang kailangan ng Lady Tamaraos. Devosora, bigat din ang serve, ano? Cortez, Tanchi. Now go back to Alana. Through the blocks. And Dorola is in for the first time as libero. Cortez, nice back set to Nisperos. Dorola, masyadong malapit sa net. And thankfully, Tanchi touched it. Petalio! Sinubo sa kamay ni Nisperos.
Ang ganda ng tulak ni Petalio. Talagang pinatama lang niya sa kamay ng blocker ng Ateneo lumabas tuloy yung bola.
And Ateneo is down 9. Sergio Veloso uses his last timeout.
You can move if you feel. This side here. And the middle. It's okay, but you can use that. Okay, okay. And Isa, listen, when you receive this ball here, in the middle, wait for the our middle block. Okay, you have 1 by 1, but you need to catch ball high. You need to catch ball high, high and down. Not where
Yeah, we heard si Nispero sinasabihan ni Coach Sergio na kailangan tamaan niya yung bola sa taas. She has to go high up and hit that ball high para bumaba yung bola niya.
But they need to string together a few more points. They
Yeah.
had 3 in a row earlier. Then Eliza Devosora comes up to serve. Back-to-back points naman para dito sa Far Eastern University. Habol si Cortez. Alana Tanchi. And that is blocked by Anasis.
Kailangan ibahin na ni Tanchi yung direksyon ng bola niya kasi bantay na siya ng blockers ng FEU
And we're gonna have some of the new players come in. Actually, sa pang-hard hit na rin itong si David, ha?
Oo.
We're talking about Iya, David,
Yeah, siya yung one of those players na poker face.
Yeah.
Na pag tumira, wala lang. Pero ang sarap panoorin.
Another 18-year-old being groomed here by Tina Salak. In the mold of a George Petalio, actually.
Ang daming bata pa sa FEU.
Oh, Donna May gets it through.
Kala ko somebody hit the net.
Yeah, the ball hit the net. And De Leon able to score. So, 3 puntos na lang kailangan ng FEU, but Donna May De Leon able to get the serve now for Ateneo. Miranda on the hang time.
Oo.
Assist. Cortez. Tanchi. Ang taas. Hinabol. Pamimigay ni David muna. Cortez. Selga on the drop. And that goes out.
That's a good variation in the hits. Ngayon nag-drop lang sila over the blockers. And Pendon was late for it.
David the target. They'll go to Nisperos. Goes long again. That's going to be a block touch challenge para dito sa Ateneo. Wala daw, sabi ni Asis. Of course, this is Ateneo's final game in the tournament. They will miss the bus regardless if win or lose. May dinanan ba?
Parang wala. Mataas yung bola.
Meron ba?
Yung,
Wala. Okay. Muntikan lang.
kala ko tumama dun sa middle finger.
Yeah, so
ng blocker.
Ateneo will win or lose Ateneo. This is their last game. They lose, they're at 1-6. They win, they're at 2-5. And for FEU, they still have one more game remaining. And
Timeout.
Ateneo is going to use the timeout. So they have one more game remaining. But first, this timeout by Sergio Veloso.
Strong. Your target cannot be fire. No, your target can be court. Because when you hit the court, if the ball don't touch the board, the ball goes inside the court. Okay, it's the same. And the cover, it's important. Like Alana hits 2 balls and the cover cat to keep playing. Okay, this you can help in the confidence for the hitter. Because, okay, if the ball touching the block, our cover continues playing. You cannot stop. Okay, you need to play with the ball all the time. Pay attention about that. And you need to move to the don't stop.
Floor ang kailangan. Coverage has to be there kasi may mga blockers eh. So hindi pwedeng titira yung hitter, yung kakampi mo, tapos wala kang gagawin. Kailangan nandun ka sa coverage.
And again, only 2 points required now by the Far Eastern University to get win number 5 with 1 game remaining. Of course, that game will be played on the 29th of September. Oy, nakalusot. Alana Tanchi with her first point.
Lakas ng bola ni Tanchi. 2 blockers in front of her. Wala, nakapasok and there was no coverage for FEU that time.
Fujimoto is going to come in along with Hermosura. So magpo-full front line pa rin. Ateneo, despite the fact that they're down by a lot at this point, they're still running what they practiced. I mean, ano to eh, parang free workout na ito para sa iyo eh, against a quality opponent na makakalaban nyo in season 88.
Oo nga. It's such an honor, no, to be playing against each other dito sa... Kasi parehong alam mong maganda yung volleyball tradition eh, ng both schools.
Of course, Ateneo is on a rebuild. David. David puts it in.
Walang tao kasi dun sa zone 4. Kaya very calmly dun linagay ni David.
Tumama pa sa net yung kanya tira, napa-peace sign siya kay Tina Salak. But FEU now with 9 match points. Pendon. Quick attack. Selga. That is out. And the Far Eastern University is going to take this. No more challenge coming from Ateneo. They could have, but it's a 10-point win for FEU in the 4th set. Nakikita natin ang ating 4th set highlights. It was just a matter of time naman talaga, Chiki, before FEU just showed its fangs.
Yeah. Tama ka. Kasi yung FEU, they have their own tempo. They can build their own momentum. Medyo natagalan lang in the first set. Hindi na sila nakahabol. But here in this last set, nakuha ni Miranda how to get her attackers moving and how to earn points.
Well, tandaan natin, FEU did come off a 5-set win against Benilde. It only took them 4 sets here against Ateneo to now have a 5-1 record, and the Lady Eagles or the Blue Eagles will drop out of the competition at 1 win and 6 losses. Ngayon pag-usapan natin ang ating player of the game.